Okay, Shannon, you can put us on the record now.
Okay.
This is a matter of Cunningham versus Barnhill. Peter Flintoff for the plaintiff and counter defendant. And we're here on your motion for entry of a default judgment.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. We presented with the proposed judgment the Hunter Land Management Appraisal. Now that was filed, I think, in the paper file. If you'd like to see it, I have it uploaded on an email that I can send over, I think. But basically, this is a classic case under MCL 500.2919 for treble damages. I've also attached to the motion a transcript of a sheriff's report of conversations between the defendant, Douglas Barnhill, and plaintiff, essentially admitting that he wasn't supposed to be there and wasn't supposed to be cutting those trees. Those trees partially were removed. I can go through the elements of the damage, but they are loss of the stumpage value of the timber, the cleanup, reseeding, and there's a residual tree damage. The photographs attached to the appraisal show these trees splintered, torn, the tops knocked out, and basically all over everywhere in there, because what he did was he pulled the trees out, not onto the public road where Mr. Cunningham lived, but on a side road. So it was out of the view of Mr. Cunningham. And I have, so the total damages that the Hunter management comes up with is like $14,909.02. In fairness to everybody here, the appraiser only tripled the value of the standing lumber. But under the statute, it's wanton damage to the timber and wanton damage to the land. And if you take those elements and treble them, you come up to the amount for which we're asking judgment. And there's been no progress on it. Anything else, this would be the final order and close the case.
All right, well, I am satisfied based on what you've submitted, and there has been no opposition to it. No one has appeared, no one has filed anything. Nobody has appeared this morning in opposition to it. I do have a proposed judgment in front of me. It was attached to your motion, and I will sign that, get it entered, and we'll get it back to you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Yep, you too, Peter. Take care.